The idea is that you write questions for yourself based on the material, such that when you revise the material, you look at your questions and you try and actively answer them in your head or on paper or out loud or whatever. The point is that instead of passively rereading or highlighting the information like we are tempted to do, we have to engage in cognitive effort to retrieve this information from our brains, and that strengthens the connections between the information. It makes us more likely to remember it and to understand it. But talking to him afterwards, he put a lot of faith in this method of writing questions for yourself, because writing questions for yourself makes you engage in cognitive effort, and kind of the more brain power it takes to recall a fact, the better strengthened that connection seems to get, according to the evidence at least. So yeah, instead of kind of writing notes from the textbook or from the revision guide or from the lecture notes, maybe try this method where you're writing questions for yourself, and then when you're revising the topic using hopefully spaced repetition, which we'll talk about in the next video, when you're revising the topic, then you can just answer the questions in your head. And I find this to be a really, really effective strategy for getting lots of information into your head very quickly.